Hi, Jonathan Klein here, executive editor at Ride Apart, and we are in sort of sunny Montana at the ranch at Rock Creek for the introduction of the 2025 Kawasaki Ridge Crew. That means 4 doors. With side-by-sides these days, a lot of them are going towards utility, and that makes a lot of sense to me. I think of these things as the new sort of trucks. With full-size pickup trucks, even mid-size pickup trucks, you're looking at $50,000 pretty much as a starting price, all the way up to $110,000. Where the utility side-by-sides are going right now is going toward replacing your old F-150 from about 10 to 20 years ago. And this is a perfect example of that trend. It's powered by a 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine, and you have 2 different horsepowers that you can choose from, 92 horsepower and 116 depending on the model and the trim level. And that'll allow you to do kind of whatever you want with it. There are 2 different tire setups, a little bit smaller and a staggered setup and a square setup that allows you to swap them around fairly easily. The bed folds back. We threw a bunch of stuff in the back, never even coming close to its 1,000-pound payload. It has a 2,500-pound towing limit. The interior is quite spacious, seating up to 6. You have full HVAC. It is a fully enclosed cab. What you also have are hundreds of Kawasaki accessories that you can modify your Ridge Crew. If you work on a ranch, there's stuff for that. There's a plow, there's accessory lighting. If you are going out hunting, there's Garmin Tread. And we're at a working ranch in Montana. They're using it to haul around rocks and go fishing and do stuff. You don't want to do that with a truck anymore. You are afraid that you are going to break body panels, scratch body panels, break suspension, break brakes. This with, plastic pieces that are fairly easy to replace and fairly cheap, you can do everything with it. You're not going to get scared. You are just going to use it as a utility vehicle. And I think that's a really smart idea, especially with trucks becoming so expensive. Now, I've talked to a lot of UTV owners, guides, outfitters, ranchers over the last year, and all of them have said the same thing. They use their UTVs. They're using them to replace their trucks. They know that they can beat on these, do everything with them, thrash them all day, but they can start them back up and get right back to work. Base price for Ridge Crew is $31,000, and it goes all the way up to about $39,000. Now that sounds like a lot, but when you consider you're essentially replacing, a F-150, which is really what you're getting for this, that's not that bad. If you want to know more, read my review on rideapart.com, hit the subscribe button, like, share, do all that fun stuff.